Welcome to a delightful exploration of Abuelita hot chocolate. Originating from Mexican culture, this chocolate drink is rich in history and even richer in flavor. Mainly composed of chocolatey Abuelita discs, creamy milk, sweet sugar, and spicy cinnamon, it offers a taste that is both comforting and decadent. Shopping for traditional Abuelita chocolate discs and selecting the right milk is half the fun. As for preparation, dissolving the chocolate disc correctly and heating the milk to the perfect temperature is key. When serving, consider traditional drinkware and perhaps garnish with a dash of cultural flair. As you sip the smooth, frothy beverage, relish in its complex taste profiles. Abuelita hot chocolate is perfect for various occasions and offers a few health perks while you enjoy in moderation. Let's dive into the process and enjoy the delectable world of Abuelita hot chocolate.